a man caught a bird, and the bird said to him, "Release me, and I will give you 3 valuable pieces of advice. I will give you the first when you let me go, the second when I fly up to that branch, and the third when I fly up to the top of the tree." The man agreed, and let the bird go. The bird said, "Do not torment yourself with excessive regret for mistakes." The bird then flew up to a branch and said, "Do not believe anything that goes against common sense unless you have first-hand proof." And then the bird flew up to the top of the tree and said, "You are a fool. I have 2 huge jewels inside of me, and if you had killed me instead of letting me go, you would have had them." "Oh man," the man said, "how can I have been so stupid?